Hi, welcome to my channel Geography with Nandunath. Today there are the portfolio full list Indian cabinet minister of our India. Must will carefully watching my video. If you are new, must will subscribe my channel. President of India, as advised by the Prime Minister, has directed the allocation of portfolio. First of all, Narendra Modi, Prime Minister, and also in charge Ministry of Personnel, Public Grants and Pensions, and Department of Atomic Energy, Department of Space, and all important policy issue and all other portfolio are not allotted to any minister. There are the cabinet minister, Sri Rajnath Singh, Ministry of Defence, Sri Amit Shah, Ministry of Home Affairs, Jairam Gadkari, Ministry of Rail, Transport and Highway, Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman, Ministry of Finance and Ministry of Corporate Affairs, and Sri Narendra Singh Tomar, Ministry of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare, Dr. Subramaniam Jaishankar, Ministry of External Affairs, Sri Arjun Munda, Ministry of Tribal Affairs, Srimati Smriti Zubin Irani, Ministry of Women and Child Development. Next, another minister, cabinet minister, Sri Piyush Goyal, Minister of Commerce and Industry, Minister of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution and Minister of Textile, Sri Dharmendra Pradhan, Ministry of Education and Minister of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, Sri Prahalad Joshi, Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs, Minister of Coal and Minister of Mines, Sri Narayan Tudu Rane, Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Entrepreneurship, Sri Shobhananda Sonowal, Ministry of Port, Shipping and Waterways and Ministry of Ayush, Sri Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi, Ministry of Minority Affairs, Dr. Virendra Kumar, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Sri Giriraj Singh, Ministry of Rural Development and Minister of Panchayat Raj, Sri Jyotirmoy Sachidananda, Ministry of Civil Aviation, Sri Ramchandra Prasad Singh, Ministry of Steel, Sri Ashwini Vaishnaw, Ministry of Railway, Ministry of Communication and Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, and also their minister Sri Pashupati Kumar Paras, Ministry of Food Processing Industry, Sri Gajendra Singh Shekhawat, Ministry of Jal Shakti, Sri Kiran Rijiju, Ministry of Law and Justice, Sri Rajkumar Singh, Minister of Power and Minister of New and Renewable Resource, Sri Hardeep Singh Puri, Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas and Minister of Housing and Urban Affairs, Sri Mansukh Mandavia, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare and Minister of Chemical and Fertilizer, Sri Bhupendra Yadav, Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change and Minister of Labour and Employment, Dr. Mahendranath Pandey, Ministry of Heavy Industry, Sri Purushottam Rupala, Ministry of Fishery, Animal Husbandry and Dairy, Sri G. Krishna Reddy, Ministry of Culture, Ministry of Tourism and Ministry of Development of Northeastern Region, the Anurag Singh Thakur, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting and Minister of Youth Affairs and Sport, and also their Minister of State Independent Church, Rao Indrajit Singh, Minister of State, independent charge of the Ministry of Statistics and Planning implementation, Minister of State, independent charge of the Ministry of Planning, and Ministry of State in the Ministry of Corporate Affairs also. Dr. Jitendra Singh, Minister of State, independent charge of the Ministry of Science and Technology, Minister of State, independent charge of Ministry of Earth Science, Minister of State in the Prime Minister Office, and Minister of State in the Ministry of Personal, Public Governance and Personal, and also Minister of State Department of the Atomic Energy, and Minister of State in the Department of Space. Minister of State, there are the Sripad Yaso Naik, Ministry of State in the Ministry of Port, Shipping and Waterways, and Minister of State in the Ministry of Tourism. Sri Fagan Singh Kulaste, Minister of State in the Ministry of Steel, and Minister of State in the Ministry of Rural Development also. Sri Prahalad Singh Patel, Minister of State in the Ministry of Jal Shakti, and Minister of State in the Ministry of Food Processing Industry. Sri Ashwini Kumar Chobe, Minister of State in the Minister of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, and Minister of State in the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change also. Sri Arjun Ram Meghwal, Minister of State in the Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs, and Minister of State in the Ministry of Culture also. General Retired V.K. Singh, Ministry of State in the Ministry of Road Transport and Highway, and Minister of State in the Ministry of Civil Aviation. Sri Kishan Pal, Ministry of State in the Ministry of Power, and Minister of State in the Ministry of Heavy Industry. Sri Danme Rao Dadarao, Minister of State in the Ministry of Railways, Minister of State in the Ministry of Coal, and Minister of State in the Ministry of Mines. Sri Ramdas Athwale, Minister of State in the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Nadhavi Niranjan Jyoti, Minister of State in the Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, and Minister of State in the Ministry of Rural Development. Dr. Sanjeev Kumar Balwan, Minister of State in the Ministry of Forestry, Fishery. Dr. Sanjeev Kumar Balwan, Minister of State in the Ministry of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying. Sri Nityanand Rai, Minister of State in the Ministry of Home Affairs. Sri Pankaj Chaudhary, Minister of State in the Ministry of Finance. Srimati Anupriya Singh Patel, Minister of State in the Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Professor S.P. Singh Baghel, Minister of State in the Ministry of Law and Justice. Sri Rajiv Chandrasekhar, Minister of State in the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, and Minister of State in the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. Sushri Shobha Karanlaje, Minister of State in the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare. Sri Bhanupratap Singh Verma, Minister of State in the Ministry of Micro, Small, Medium Entrepreneurship. Srimati Darshana Vikram Jardas, Minister of State in the Ministry of Textile and Minister of State in the Ministry of Railway. Sri V. Murali Dharan, Minister of State in the Ministry of External Affairs and Minister of State in the Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs. Srimati Meenakshi Lekhi, Minister of State in the Ministry of External Affairs and Minister of State in the Ministry of Culture. Sri Som Prakash, Minister of State in the Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Sri Rameshwar Teli, Minister of State in the Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas and Minister of State in the Ministry of Labour and Employment. The Kailash Choudhury, Minister of State in the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare. Srimati Annapurna Devi, Minister of State in the Ministry of Education. Sri A. Narayanaswamy, Minister of State in the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Sri Kaushal Kishar, Minister of State in the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. Sri Ajay Bhatt, Minister of State in the Ministry of Defence and Minister of State in the Ministry of Tourism. Sri B.L. Verma, Minister of State in the Ministry of Development of Northeastern Region and Minister of State in the Ministry of Corporation. Sri Ajay Kumar, Minister of State in the Ministry of Home Affairs. Sri Debusina Chauhan, Minister of State in the Ministry of Communication. Also the Minister of State, Sri Bhagwant Khua, Minister of State in the Ministry of New and Renewable Resource Energy and Minister of State in the Ministry of Chemical and Fertilizer. Sri Kopil Madheswar Patil, Minister of State in the Ministry of Panchayati Raj. Susri Pratima Bhaumik, Minister of State in the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Dr. Subhas Sarkar, Minister of State in the Ministry of Education. Dr. Bhagwat Krishnadao Kharat, Minister of State in the Ministry of Finance. Dr. Rajkumar Ranjan Singh, Minister of State in the Ministry of External Affairs and Minister of State in the Ministry of Education. Dr. Bharati Parveen Pawar, Minister of State in the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Sri Vishesha Tudu, Minister of State in the Ministry of Tribal Affairs and Minister of State in the Ministry of Jal Shakti. Sri Shantanu Thakur, Minister of State in the Ministry of Port, Shipping and Waterways. Dr. Munjapada Mahendra Bhai, Minister of State in the Ministry of Women and Child Development and Minister of State in the Ministry of Ayush. Sri John Barla, Minister of State in the Ministry of Minority Affairs, and also Dr. L. Murugan, Minister of State in the Ministry of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairy, and also Minister of State in the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. Sri Nitish Pramanik, Minister of State in the Ministry of Home Affairs and Minister of the State in the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. Thank you. Thank you to all.